Time is 8:33 now. We are celebrating UH Week here on Wake Up Today and Living 808, highlighting the work being done not only in Manoa, but also the system's other campuses across the state.
John Veneri joins us now live from Leeward Community College with more. Good morning, John.
Thanks, Sam, Sarah, appreciate it. Yeah, we're giving you opportunities. We're giving you choices here with the many different programs that are offered on the UH campuses. And of course, we're here at Leeward Community College talking with Mike Scully. Thanks for having us down. Appreciate it.
No, it's my pleasure.
Tell us what you do here.
I teach commercial driving and here at Leeward Community College. And right now we have free training taking place. So if you're interested, reach out to us. Our website, our numbers, 455-0477, or go to our website.
I appreciate that. Yeah, thanks for selling it right off the top of this interview. CDL. So what are we learning here? What is Shane doing?
So Shane is learning to, this is our driving simulator. She's learning how the timing, the rhythm, and the synchronization that's necessary to drive these big 10, 13 or 18 speed commercial vehicles.
I said bus earlier, but it really is the large tractor trucks. And while you don't see a ton of them here in Hawaii, you do see them on the road every once in a while.
Oh yeah, I mean, if you think about it, everything in your house comes from in a truck. Mm-hmm. You know, so trucking is a big part of our economy. And we do teach the busing as well, which is mostly automatic. So not quite as challenging to drive a bus as it is to drive these big semis, you know, the tractor trailers.
Who is this program best for?
You know, we teach all demographics. I mean, we've had single moms, we've had retired people. You know, anybody can learn this if you really apply yourself and do the due diligence required to learn, keep an open mind, and you know, show up every day. I mean, it's challenging, but you know, we've had 90-pound ladies, we've had every demographic be successful. We've graduated over 300 people since COVID. So
wow,
yeah, so
good stuff. So you are definitely sending people into the workforce. Shayna is the one who teaches a lot of these folks. She's an instructor. So what would I be learning if I were in your seat right now, which, by the way, I don't want to switch with you?
I would say you will definitely learn the tempo and just knowing the patterns, because every truck is different.
Yeah. This is really hands-on, isn't it?
Oh, yes. Very active learning, for sure.
By the way, I did get into it. You saw me tease the fact that we were going to be here moments ago. I actually popped the clutch and shut the whole thing down. So that's why I didn't really want to sit down. And Mike, it's a lot easier than people may think, but this is a great opportunity for folks that want to drive trucks, want a job. I mean, it's hard enough to get a job. This is an opportunity for folks.
Yeah, you will always have a job after you graduate from our program. You know, it's short-term training for a lasting career, and to be able to learn how to shift these big trucks in a non-stressful environment really promotes success.
Why don't you tell that number again? Because since you sold it so well at the top of it, folks want to get more information and maybe get in touch with you guys.
Yeah, just call 808-455-0477 or go on the Office of Workforce Development at Leeward Community College and reach out to us.
Perfect. Mike, Shayna, thank you so much. Appreciate it. CDL driving course right here at Leeward Community College, and you can get that information at leeward.hawaii.edu. We'll be back from this campus on UH Week with more when we return. Back to you guys in the studio.
All right, mahalo, John. Hey, if you can't find it, grind it, right? Sometimes shifting, especially if you haven't driven a stick shift in a long time,
yeah,
a little difficult. Very cool to see the simulator. I always wondered, like, when you're getting your CDL, like that first time in the vehicle, got to be a little intimidating.
Yeah.
You practice on the simulator first and then move over to the parking lot, etc.
It's a smooth transition,
yes.
right? I like that a lot. I had no idea they had this program, so I'm so glad that we're featuring all these different, you know, industries that you can go into, hands-on industries as well as, you know, trying to learn how to drive big trucks. It's so cool. At LCC, which is also life-changing
college, right?
Life-changing college, yeah.
All right, coming up next.